Oh, hey, I forgot I was supposed to do a video today. Alright, so let's talk about, in this video I wanted to talk about 6 profitable niches in the affiliate marketing space. So if you're just getting started, you might be wondering, or you might be a little bit afraid to start in the business because you might be wondering, oh, what if I pick the wrong niche, or what is the right niche, etc., etc. So what I want to do is talk about 6 proven markets that I've found over what has it been, like 5 years now, 5 or 6 years in the affiliate marketing space that are proven to work. So let's cue the intro video and jump right on in. Alright, so let's get started. You're just now starting the business. Obviously you're here. I'm going to guess that you're a beginner. I'm going to talk about more advanced stuff as time goes on, but let's start at the basics, and that is picking a market. Alright, so what markets do you want to get into? You got what I call like the 3 core markets, which are wealth, health, and relationships. Now there are 3 others. These 3 work. These 3 markets are proven to work. Things like how to save money, how to get out of debt, how to make money. That would be wealth, obviously. Health would be things like weight loss, 6-pack abs, bodybuilding, getting or lean muscle mass, all that fun stuff. And of course, relationships, you're talking about things like dating, finding a mate, or how to get your ex back. All 3 of these markets have things in common. The main thing that's in common of all 3 of these are desperation or loss of sleep. And what I mean by loss of sleep, these are things that people will literally stay up all night worrying about. Say you're in debt, you'll literally be in bed at night anxious as heck because you're not, either not making money or you're worried about the mounting debt. Or, for example, you're having trouble finding a girlfriend or whatever, or boyfriend, whatever that is that you're looking for. You're going to be up at night, woe is me, life sucks, I'm not happy, and you're going to be up at night really just anxiety through your head about these topics. So the benefit of this is, well, not if you're suffering from it, but if the benefit is that if you target people that are in this desperate mindset, it's a lot easier to make sales. They'll be more impulse oriented and, hard to swallow, man. They'll be more impulse oriented, and because of that you can just recommend things and they buy it. Alright, so those are 3 markets. There are a few others that I've proven over time to work. I guess you can maybe say some of these cross over, but let's just get into it and name them. Alright, so the other market is entertainment. Things like hobbies, video games, etc., etc. Those things people spend money on. The fourth, that was 4, can't even count today. As you can tell, when I wake up at 3 p.m., I'm just kind of out of it. Fifth market. This is pets. People are just nuts about pets. They will literally spend tens of thousands of dollars if, say their pet has my dog, for example, had a torn ACL. That surgery was like $2,000. But you want your dog to be healthy and happy, so you're going to spend all the money that you can to keep the dog happy. But online, if you're an affiliate, you're going to target things. Oh man, that squeaking is annoying. Woo. So let's see if it doesn't distract me. All right, so you got pets, things like dog collars, dog GPS units, cat habitats, cat runs, all that stuff. People spend a lot of money for on affiliate networks like Amazon.com. So that's always a winner, especially in one of these niches. By the way, one of these niches, pets, you want to build a list in. Reason is because they have a dog, they have a cat, so you can recommend all kinds of cool stuff. All right, so what else? What else do we have? What is another popular niche to get into? So we got health, wealth, relationships, pets, entertainment. Another one is like celebrities. This is a weird niche, but this is one that I'm particularly worked in before. But celebrities get a lot of recognition. Obviously, they get a lot of searches online, so you can target more of this like tabloid oriented niche and get a lot of page views. Now, when you're talking about affiliate marketing, it might be a little tough. You could sell, like if you wanted to make a site about hip hop or Justin Bieber, for example, you could of course sell on Amazon like his CDs, is posters, etc. But these niches are better for page view impression advertising. Because what will happen is people, if you've ever seen some of these celebrity sites, they make you click like 10 different pages to see the whole story. So this wouldn't technically be fully affiliate marketing, but it's pretty much the same idea. And that is serving ads rather than actually trying to convince people to buy a Justin Bieber album. All right, so those 6 markets right there. Another weird abstract concept is if you can, any kind of market that you can sell people their time back. Anything that saves people time. If you think about it, what are the things that people will spend money for? There's a few things that will always be. People will trade their money for health. If they want to get, say you're 80 years old, you have $10 million, you're going to spend whatever it takes to get your health back, or at least get it up to an acceptable level. So that's something where money is not as valuable as the thing they traded for. This is more of like an abstract concept here. Feeling good, feeling happy, things like entertainment, something to keep your mind off of how bad your life sucks. You will trade money for that. Going to a concert, going out to a bar. All of those things are things people are willing to trade their money for, the stuff they work hard for, in exchange for a feeling. Let's see what else. Where's another good example? Of course, people will spend, relationships, prostitutes. I know that's a little absurd because you can't sell prostitutes online legally, but it's just going to show that people will trade their money for, sex, relationships, companionship. Where I'm going with this, I know it's a little bit of a sidetrack, is you got to think in terms of what will people trade their money on. Another random thought is hobbies. Your hobbies are things people will spend money on. Magic, for example, how to be a card magician, or like guitar. Any mainstream hobby is another great thing to target. Now, if you can, you want to try to stack these together. Things like, here's a random idea, like BMX, bike riding, or mountain biking. It's a hobby and it improves your health. So if you can stack these things together, you'll generally get a more targeted audience and a more rabid audience. Let's see, what's another random example of that? This is just like off the wall idea, but dating for gym rats. People who really like to work out. I don't know if there's a dating site that exists, but a dating site for people that are specifically into bodybuilding or going to the gym a lot. That combines health and relationships from the 3 core markets I just talked about. All right, so with all that said, if you want to learn how to take this niche, how to make money with it, I do have a guide, a free guide that you can download. It's at deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. Let's see, the slash would have to be backwards. /guide. There you'll find how to take all the information that I'm teaching you, how to become an affiliate marketer from scratch starting today, if that's something that you want to do. So go check that out. Also, if you have any comments or any ideas or questions about niche selection, feel free to comment below. So I guess my question to you is, have you ever entered into any of these niches that I just mentioned? If so, feel free to comment below about your experience. Any results that you achieved by working in any of the 6 or 7 that I've mentioned: health, wealth, relationships, hobbies, entertainment, celebrities, and pets. Have you made any money online with those? If so, comment below. You don't have to give away your niche site or your specific niche, but just comment below with your experience about that. What else do we have? All right, so I'm going to try every week to release 2 videos about affiliate marketing and how you can be lazy and make money online as an affiliate marketer. Now, I'm not going to promise that it's going to be completely effortless. Of course, you are going to have to put in initial work, but when you get the whole thing drilled in, it really can be a 1 hour per day or less activity. The truth is, this might sound Hollywooded up or hyped up. Over the last 2-3 years, I've literally been working an hour per day, and my income has been still pretty consistent, if not rising, each year, even though I've literally done less and less. So, like I said, it does take some work. Don't expect to just jump in one day and all of a sudden you'll be making tens of thousands of dollars a month. It doesn't really work like that. So what I recommend you do is subscribe. I'm going to be teaching all the stuff that I've learned over the years in these quick little videos, and hopefully help you make, or at least start making money as an affiliate this year. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Please let me know. Give me some feedback. Comment below. If you like these videos, if you have any topics you want me to talk about, feel free to comment. I am going to be checking back and trying to improve the videos and talk about the things that you want to hear. All right, with all that said, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and I think I'm going to Go back to sleep now. I'll see you around.